forgot to put the pickles away! You stupid turd! God! Man!
Barbara! What did you do? There's poop on the floor! Why is it on the walls? It's on the mirror! OMG! You need to get out of my house, Barbara, before I kill someone. Look! Look! You suck! Suck! I'm getting out of here!
Johnny! Stop putting the pickles away! Stop going in my freaking room, taking my pickles, and putting them in the fridge! They're my pickles! Freaking turd! My pickles!
Oh, well, hello there! How are you doing today?
Hey, open up! Have you put a head in the refrigerator?
Look, I'm sorry! It's not my fault!
You know what?
Oh, this is the FBI! What the? Why would they record in the freaking refrigerator? There's enough evidence for the FBI! Then I can finally be important! Yes!
You'll never be important, Jim! You suck!